Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Linda and today we're having some pasta. I made this up. I just used whatever I had in my fridge. Basically, I boiled some penne pasta. I added some imitation crab to the boil, which was just plain water and the pasta and the imitation crab. After the water got all thick from the pasta, I added a heaping tablespoon of hummus, and then I added 2 heaping tablespoons of pesto, and then I added some garlic and onion powder, black pepper. I added some Munster cheese, I think that's how you say it, and I added some feta cheese. And this is it. I haven't even tried it yet. I never had this before. Like I said, I just made this up. So let's try it. Very good. I could use more feta cheese. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. And I got big old feta cheese from Costco, which is the best place to buy anything if you're buying in bulk. We go through feta cheese very quickly. I love feta cheese. I recorded on Saturday. We went out to this seafood buffet for Mother's Day, and I decided to go on Saturday because I already knew Sunday was gonna be crazy everywhere. Take a bite of that. I recorded a little bit, but I didn't bring my stand or anything, and then the tables were so small. I thought I was doing good, but basically you see like this and below in the video, and then you see me showing my food, but I don't know if I'm gonna upload it or not. Got some imitation crab. I bought a whole pack got it from Food for Less, I think. You guys, I got this darn pimple. I try to pop it, and that's why I have a bruise right there. It's almost 3 o'clock. My son should be home soon. If you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. Happy late Mother's Day. But man, that buffet, I want to go back at least once a week. It's so good. I tried sea snails. Their tuna was delicious. It was like melt in your mouth, not overly dried. So good. Fall apart. What else should I try? I stayed away from carbs too. I wanted to fill up on protein. When I was younger, I would always want like the fried rice and the chow mein, but my mom would always tell me, like, why are we gonna go spend all this money just to eat what you already eat at home, you know? Oh, and I had snow crabs, crawfish, clams. It was my first time recording out in public, and everybody was like watching me, so I got kind of nervous too. I shouldn't care what people think about me, ever. But when I first started YouTube, I stopped because I would get hate comments, and that discouraged me. And I took big, long breaks, and I would upload just like maybe once a month, not even once a month, like I'd take a long break for like 6 months and then upload a video until somebody commented, like, what they said something about me not being consistent, or I was being consistent, and then I stopped. Excuse me. Excuse me. I straightened my hair. This is how long my hair is when I straighten it. It goes down to my booty. Hello. That was Angelo. He is on his way home right now. Oh my god, I watched The Hustle last night. That is hilarious. You guys gotta go see it. I want to do the chicken nugget challenge. It's 100 nuggets in 10 minutes. I don't know the rules, but I'm pretty sure you gotta eat as much as you can in 10 minutes. I think I could eat a lot. Like if I don't eat all morning and just fast. I'm very competitive. I don't know what that is. If you guys ever go eat at restaurants or buffets or any place, always check on Yelp for the reviews and deals. I saved $4 on Yelp when you check in. Oh my god, I made pork adobo in coconut milk. It was so good, but so fatty. I got the recipe of this YouTuber, Hot Thai Kitchen. I think her name is Pai Lin. Oh, it was so good. It had pineapples. It had some kind of cut of pork, braised in coconut milk. I wouldn't have thought. I'm very sleepy. I've been drinking this all natural baby tea. My daughter gets the benefits from it from when she nurses. I have to burp. It's stuck. Last bite. Well, you guys, I'm so full. I think I'm gonna go lay down and take a little nap if I can with my daughter. She's napping right now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, I always forget this, please subscribe to your girl's channel. Please like my videos. Please leave a comment if you would like to see me eat anything or do a challenge. Please let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.